All right, so I'm going to kick things off with a little bit of a discussion about Wi-Fi routers and extending the Wi-Fi range in your small business. So a lot of people want to get more Wi-Fi and spread their business, their Wi-Fi out with maybe spending less money on hardware. Maybe they have a multi-story office or it's just a wide range. What a lot of people don't think about is they'll go buy an N router, which is the latest and greatest technology that's kind of happening in small business Wi-Fi right now. And the thing about N technology that most people don't know about is it's supported by all the new laptops that you get. But once you bring in a device like a current iPhone or most cell phones, they all communicate on the older standard of a G network. So anytime that you connect your phone or an older laptop, for example, like if you have older laptops in your organization, and most small businesses are trying to save money and they have an older laptop in their organization, what happens is that the N is forced to downgrade to the lower speed over G. So what happens is that all of your N laptops, anytime you get a G type of device, whether it's an iPhone or an old laptop connecting to the network, it automatically decreases the range and effectiveness of your N router. So one of the great things about N is it extended the range out. And when you add the G device, it drops it. So how do you solve this problem? You can do it one of two ways. One is you can have a standalone G access point in your office. So all your old stuff connects to the G, and you might have to have one or two of those because the range isn't quite as good. And then you can use your new N router that you might have already bought to cover your newer devices. And in the software settings of your N router, there is a setting to make it say, do N only and never allow G devices to connect. So that's what you would want. Then you have your N router for your new stuff and your G router for your old stuff, and you would put those in, and that would solve the problem. The other way you could do it would be to buy a dual band router. There are a number of routers on the market. The one that comes instantly to mind is Apple's Airport Extreme. If you buy the version that was manufactured within the last 3 months, there's about 5 versions of Apple's Airport Extreme. But the one that was manufactured within the last 3 months does true dual band. So it will support both the N and the G in one device. So when you go to extend your network, make sure you get a dual band router.